Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this transforming 8-pointed star or shuriken. For this piece you will need 8 pieces of square paper, and we will start with folding one. We will fold it in half. Next we will open it and we'll fold top corners to the middle line. So fold it and align it with the middle line. Press it down. And do the same with the other top corner. Fold it here to the middle line, to the center of the paper. And press it down. Next we'll fold our paper on the middle line that we just made. So we'll fold it in half. Press it down. And now we'll fold this top corner diagonally down to the center point here. So take it, fold to the point, and press it down. In next step, we will open it and we will collapse this part that we just made in. So press it in and press it down. This is the first piece of paper that we folded, and now we'll do the same with these 7 other pieces of paper. Once all of our pieces are folded, we'll start to combine them. We'll take one piece of paper, and where it's open, we'll put the next piece of paper in, align it with this outer line, and we will fold the corners in. And we will repeat the steps with all others. You can put this paper more in, fold the corners in, and then just slide it outside. It's easier like that. And we will do the same with the last one. We'll put it in, fold the corners in, these point parts, slide it so that it's aligned, and then put the first one in, open it, and put it in between the papers. adjust it a little bit. And now we've made a circle. We need to press it down firmly. And it's time to play with it. You can press it all together. And we've made 8-pointed star. But you can make 4-pointed star. Or we can make 8-pointed star.